You want soup and only got like 10 minutes? Easy egg drop soup. Okay, let's put together our really quick and simple egg drop soup. So we're gonna go in with 4 cups of chicken stock. We're gonna go with a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of Chef Dad smoked salt. We're gonna go in with an 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, white pepper. And we're gonna go in with, I put in about a cup of turmeric. And that is not a cup. I put in a half a teaspoon of turmeric. And that's mainly just for color. So we're gonna get this over to this oven, stove, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna get it on here and we're gonna get it heating up. We're gonna get our forged blade. Watch. Super. This is super impressive. I really do like this knife. It's pretty too. I did it again. I said the word pretty. We're gonna get our scallions cut up. You can cut these however you want. I'm just gonna cut them with a little bit of bias. Okay, got all of our scallions cut up. Tell me in the comments down below why I'm saying scallions. We're gonna crack our eggs and get them into our measuring cup and mix them up because this is, well, the easiest way to do it is put it in the measuring cup. This is a very large measuring cup, but it'll work. So we're just gonna get in here, mix it up. That loud. Okay, once it's about like that, you're good to go. I mean, you could just barely break them. Depends on how you want it to the final product to look. As you can hear, this is starting to boil over here. You don't want this to be to an aggressive boil when you add your eggs. So we're gonna go in with our MSG. If you don't want to add MSG, don't add MSG. A lot of people lie to you out there on how bad and toxic this stuff is. Make up your own mind. Do your research, make up your own mind. This is super simple dish. There's not a lot to it. So we're just gonna take a quick. Tastes good. It's very simplistic dish. I'm gonna go in with my scallions. Okay, give this a mix. I'm gonna start turning it down just a little bit. So this is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. It may not take all this, it depends on how thick you want it to be. So as I mix it in, I'm just gonna stir it up. And I'm thinking I'm going in with the entire amount. Okay, and we're just gonna move this around. And this is gonna be like, it's gonna sound gross. It's gonna be like snotty. The texture is going to get kind of snotty. It's a better way to say that.
Viscosity has changed.
The viscosity has changed. There we go. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. You could get this to a nice swirl. But traditionalists say you shouldn't do it that way. I don't know. I'm also not a traditionalist. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in with our egg. Make sure we're not too much of an aggressive boil. And then we're slowly going to stream in our egg. And you want it to be in, try and make the ribbons. And honestly, I would have added a lot more egg to this. So we're just going to give it a quick little turn. And that is finished egg drop soup.
Let's just dump it in the bowl.
The whole thing? Look at that, it's 1 serving. I did say that it's like snot, didn't I? Super appetizing when you say it like that. Let's give it a try. Alaskan authentic egg drop soup. Can't get any more authentic than that. Authentic. It's mild yet warming. It's a filling meal and there wasn't much to it. I mean, it's chicken broth and eggs in reality. You can mix and match, you can do whatever you want, but this is super simple. This is a perfect meal.
It's like rows of egg.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like The good foundation to a solid chicken noodle soup. Yeah, I actually like the texture, the viscosity.
The viscosity. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. Right over here, that's the subscription button. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for all the comments. Keep them coming.